Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make another vertical resolution transition, like you see on the screen. Box that goes out, twists, and comes back. I made 160:9 aspect ratio, and I think Resolve actually has one in it now. I will leave a free preset in the description below. Start out with a cross dissolve, right click on it, convert to fusion cross dissolve. Then you have a fusion icon over here. Click it, it'll take you to fusion. Bring the median 2 down below the median 1 and delete the cross dissolve. Cut the line. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Click away right about here. Shift space and cube 3D. Then get a render 3D. Plug it into the media out. Make sure it's in viewer 2. With the render selected, go to render type, change it from software to hardware. And select the cube. Deselect the lock width, height, and depth. Take the height, 1920 divided by 1080. And that was the correct height. Take the subdivisions all the way up. With the cube selected, get a 3D merge. Select the transform. We're going to use the Z under translation to make it fit the screen correctly. Put in minus 0.64. And now it should be fitting correctly. We can go to one viewer now. Go back to the cube. Let's make all the colors on the sides white and top and bottom black. And the back's already white. All right, to connect the media in to the cube, you want to right click on the output of the media in, take it over to the cube and drop it in the front and the back. I know you really don't need it in the back, but if it rotates just correctly when it twists, it just may show. So we're just going to go ahead and put them on there. And the media in 2, put them in the left and the right. Now select the cube, go to transform, right click on the Y, modify width, and curves. Then go to the modifier, set the scale to 90, and the curve, go to easing, back, and back. Go back to tools, right click on the Z, modify width, and curves. Then go to the modifier, I'm going to set that scale to minus 0.2. Sorry, I told you wrong. Minus 1.2. And select mirror. Now select the cube again. Shift space and bender. On the axis, select X, bender type, twist. Right click on the amount, modify width, and curves. Then go to the modifier. Set this to 0.2. See, it's kind of over rotating. Select mirror. We want to straighten out a little quicker. On a time scale, put in 1.2. Still over rotating though. Go back to the cube. Make sure you're on Y rotation. On time scale, put in 1.2. Don't worry, I didn't change anything. I was just checking something. Let's give it a play and see how it looks. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the Alt key down. And we got to put a pipe router into both these. Click real close to the media end. That way it'll get both of them. And you want to highlight these like I do. Start from the top, get everything on top before you get the bottom pipe router. Like that. Then right click on any one of them. Make sure you did not include any of the medias. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. Go to file, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, edit, transitions. Here is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same. If you do, Resolve won't recognize it. So make it a little bit different. If it's a DRFX file, it doesn't matter. Hit save. We'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Here's an easy way to put your transitions on. If you line your playhead up between the two clips, double click your transition, it'll go right on there. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.